Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix network is connected but file and printer not sharing in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix network is connected but file and printer cannot share in Windows 11 computer. First of all, make sure your file or printer is shared properly, and then go to search. In search, type control panel, click on control panel. In view by, category is selected. Now click on the drop down and select large icons. Now click on network and sharing center, then click on change advanced sharing settings. You will find two options, one network discovery and another one is file and printer sharing. Just turn it on and go to the public networks also and make sure network and printer sharing is turned on, and again go to domain network. Here also turn on file and printer sharing, and go to all networks. Here also allow the public folder sharing. Now close settings, and then in network and sharing center click on change adapter settings. Right click on your network adapter and click on properties. Here you will find the second option, file and printer sharing for Microsoft Network, and now it's turned off. Just select it and then click on OK. Now close network connections and close control panel. Now hopefully your problem is solved and file and network sharing will work properly after fixing this issue. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.